Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of Lite Food. I truly believe that eggs are superfood. They are a very good source of proteins, omega-3 fatty acids and packed with essential micronutrients. They're super simple to make, they're delicious, just perfect for every busy morning. I just love eggs and love to make different kind of recipe using them. And this breakfast recipe is one of them. I'm sure you're going to love this. We will talk more about the recipe after the video, so keep watching. To make the breakfast egg wrap, first I'm going to prepare the eggs. For that, first I will take 2 whole eggs and 2 egg whites for a single serving. If you want to take more, just go for it. To crack the eggs, I am using an egg cracker. This makes the work really easy and hassle-free and separates the eggs from the yolks without any mess. To the eggs, add salt to taste, around 1/4 teaspoon, and a little bit of black pepper powder. Now give it a quick mix. Make sure not to whisk it till foam, as we are not making a sponge omelette. Now keep aside. Now to pan fry the veggies, take 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan or the skillet directly. Add half cup of onion sliced and saute. You can completely avoid the onions if you don't like them with the sweet corns or cheese. When the onions are half cooked or translucent, add the other veggies. I have taken celery, carrots and cabbage mixed of 1 cup. On high heat, quickly saute them. Next, I am going to add more than a cup of shredded spinach. I love the combination of eggs and spinach. And all my egg recipes are incomplete without a little bit of spinach in it. You can avoid and add green beans, peas and grated sweet potatoes instead. Give it a quick mix. Now 2 tablespoons of sweet corn kernels. You can avoid corns if you are adding sweet potatoes, but both of them can be too much of carb for a single meal. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Lots of black pepper powder and just keep it simple. Now in the same skillet, take 1 more tablespoon of oil, or you can also take 1 tablespoon of butter. Spread it all over and pour the eggs. Move the skillet to let the eggs to flow all over it. Make sure to use a big non-stick skillet to avoid sticking of the eggs to the bottom. Now let the eggs to cook from the side for a minute on low heat. Once done, place the fried veggies on the top. Now dust some grated Parmesan cheese on the top. This will help the wrap to bind. You can also use grated mozzarella cheese. Then slowly wrap the eggs on the vegetables. Make sure to use a big skillet so that you are comfortable to wrap the eggs on the veggies. Turn off the heat to avoid the burning of the eggs. With little care, you can make it even more perfect. Take it out on a plate and sprinkle a bit of crushed red chili flakes. Cut them into pieces. And that looks superb. The perfect combination of macros and micros for your busy morning. Finally, my favorite part, time to taste. Every kind of pan-fried vegetables goes great with eggs. You can add your favorite vegetable and enjoy the eggs. Adding the cheese completely depends on you. If you like more cheese with eggs, then you add more cheese. And if you like less or no cheese, then just go for it. Do let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite egg recipe. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. I will see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.